Tapos ano, no, isend mo na lang sa akin, no? Lalagyan ko na lang ng tag doon yun. Americano.
And find that I know how to let you go. You go. How do you feel? Hindi ko na kaya. Ayaw ka na.
Diyan ako.
Kanta.
Prepare na lang.
What song?
You have increased oxygen. Blood circulation. Can heal insomnia, rheuma, arthritis. There's a lot of benefit. Yan, walang copyright yan.
Ay,
Yan, pwede yan, walang copyright. Haba. Hello, how are you?
Ah, Kiro?
Kira.
Ah, Kiro.
This is come from America. Like client. English barok na naman.